No one wants to be in the UK. In fact, just last year alone, the highest number of millionaires for any country have exited UK. 16,000 in total. And for context, that is double the number of Chinese millionaires who left China and 4 times the number of Indian millionaires who left India within the same period. And I'll tell you exactly why this is happening. It's because of 2 factors. The first is what the UK did to their labour market, and the second is what they did to their housing market. I'll explain. On the labour market, over the past 2 decades, a lot of cheap labour from Pakistan, Bangladesh, in fact surrounding European countries, entered into London, which means for the past 15 years, wages and salaries in the UK have not risen. They've remained stagnant, adjusted for inflation. But at the same time, the prices of goods, services, housing is skyrocketing, such that any educated professional in London or UK right now can earn double the amount of money if they move to New York with just a 30% increase in cost of living. Or they could move to Dubai, earn the same amount of money, but pay no taxes and 30% lower cost of living, which means practically anyone who was an educated professional in the UK has left the country. Then comes the second point, which is on what they've done with housing. So back in the late 1970s, they came up with a law which gave the right to buy to tenants who were living in government housing, which means a lot of these tenants could buy this government housing at a discount, which created no incentive for private real estate developers to build housing. And after all these decades, it has reached a point where there is such a dire shortage of housing in the UK that out of all developed countries, London has the highest rate of homelessness. 200,000 people living on the streets, which means the government now, having supported them for so many years, does not even have money to support its population, which is paying taxes, and everyone just wants to leave London and